Why have a website? What can a web presence do for you? A good website has a professional appearance, sensible navigation, good content. It is not difficult to create a good web. Benefits of an effective website. A website provides an instant visual presentation. Not every organization can afford television advertising, but a website provides a visualization element and is always available to anyone with internet access. If a customer has questions that can be better answered on a website than over the phone, this is a valuable asset to your marketing mix. A website can be found through search engines. There is a good possibility that you found this website through a search engine such as Google. Between 80 to 95% of all website traffic usually comes from search engines. You can target visitors who are actively looking for you, your product, your service, or your information. A website is an extremely cost-effective way to advertise to those who are already interested in what you have to offer. A website is always available. No other medium for being available 24/7 365 even compares to a website. With a modest cost of developing a website and putting it online, there is nothing even close to being as cost-effective. Printed materials are easily misplaced. TV and radio commercials air at preset times. A website can be visited at a time that is convenient for the visitor, and it is more engaging when designed correctly. A website is interactive. Even just a few years ago, most websites were nothing more than an electronic brochure. Their real potential was not being realized. That has now changed dramatically. Website visitors have the ability to control and interact with a well-designed website. You can take a virtual tour, spin an object around to see all sides, provide direct feedback, and much more. A website can target each visitor specifically. Every visitor's needs are met with an effective website design. With proper targeting, you have their attention because they are already interested. By strategically planning your website, you can customize each area to the type of website visitor who can benefit from it. It is even possible to customize web pages to individual users for added convenience. A website is easily updated. Unlike printed materials, websites can be changed on a minute-by-minute basis if needed. The expensive production costs of video, and the editing time needed for a good advertisement, make websites even more attractive. Plus, videos can be provided on a website, and printed materials can be made available for instant download on a website. A website saves on printing and mailing costs. By making printed materials available on a website, it benefits both you and your website visitors. They have instant access so they do not have to wait for your mail to arrive, and you save on printing and mailing. Your website can have even more impact because you can illustrate things such as movements and animation that printed materials alone cannot show. A website improves customer relations. Aside from the fact that when a customer asks you for your website address, they expect you to have one, there are numerous benefits a website can offer to your customer relations. Why wait? Start your website today. We are here to help you for making your business more digital and professional. We can provide full design and manage solutions for your website design, redesign, e-commerce site, online shop and social media integration and marketing. For any query and website work, please contact with us and also check our freelancing profile.